All right, Whissel Widget of the Week. Something we like to utilize in our business. Saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun.
This is something that I don't utilize in my business, but it's something I spent some time over this weekend doing, and I think it could be helpful for either you or your clients if you're looking for a little bit more space, but don't want to add on to the house. And again, this isn't something that's unique or fresh, but it's something that I've looked into, and it might be a refresher for some of you guys. But I know, Home Depot's all across the country, and I'm sure these are all at Home Depots, but I'm looking into adding another Tuff Shed in my backyard. These are high quality sheds. They're not the plastic or metal kind. They have wood walls. They've got a solid foundation. I don't know if that's true, if they have a solid foundation.
You have to have a foundation to put it on, yes.
Yeah.
They won't just put it on dirt.
No, they did put mine on dirt. My first one on dirt.
Really?
Uh-huh.
With no concrete under it?
Uh-huh. They put it on dirt. But it has to be within 4 inches of level, so they have to, whatever. But yeah, they put it on dirt. And so I'm looking to get one for my myself and my wife that we can use as an office. So we're looking at putting some flooring in. We've got to drywall and insulate it ourselves. We got to put an air conditioning in, but they'll put in the doors and the windows, and it's going to be a nice little she shed or man cave, or eventually we'll put our aunt out there and that'll be her little sewing shed. But yeah, Tuff Shed is something I'm looking for. If your client's looking for more space and they want an ADU for 10 grand, you laugh at them and say, well, this isn't an ADU, but you could do something like this.
Is that what they called it, an ADU? At Tuff Shed? Or
No. But if your client's looking for an ADU and they're like, yeah, I'm looking for like 10 grand, and you're like, no, they're like 100 grand for an ADU, this might be something that they can look into and have a little office that's detached from the house. I wouldn't put a kid in there.
How far out are they on install right now?
They told me a week. They said they can get it out in a week. If in California, or maybe this is in San Diego, I don't know. In Santee at least, they said the biggest we can go is 10 by 12 without needing permits. If they need permits, they're 9 to 12 months out.
Jeez.
So we're going to do 10 by 12 and go from there.
Cool. Well, I'm going to do one that we literally just talked about, but we haven't done as a widget of the week yet.
You asshole. Which one is it? Because I was looking for that.
This little one that is a great knowledge library that is just making things very, very easy for all of our admins and our agents, and that is Zendesk, which we have not done Zendesk yet.
Are you positive?
Well, if we did, we're doing it again.
Let's do it again.
It's just become a really good thing for us. Anytime an agent has a question, if we feel that's an answer that is going to help an agent in the future, we'll take that question, we'll put it in Zendesk. Now it becomes searchable for future agents of Whissel, which is huge. We're putting all of our company meetings in there to make them very searchable, and it's just become a really good repository of information that our agents can make withdrawals from at later points. So it's one of those things that literally every week it's getting better and better and better to where it's going to become such a valuable resource. You could probably sell that resource for money because it's that damn valuable, and it's going to save Bryan time and me time and the rest of the company time, both those that are giving answers and those that need answers. So Zendesk.com, it's pretty rad.
Love it.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us and bearing with my awful voice today. I am Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Coachy.
We'll see you next week.
Later.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.